What's up everybody, Simon here. In this video I am going to go ahead and do an unboxing and review of one of the more popular earbuds out in the market today. It is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Now these are supposed to compete with the Apple Airpods and the Apple Airpods Pro. This product is about $100. We're going to see if it's worth your hard-earned money, how they compare to some of the other products I reviewed. But before I get into this particular video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. I appreciate it. Let's get into this video. So the Galaxy Buds, they offer 11 hours playback time off a charge. There's a two-way speaker. It has a really good microphone, they say it, or 3 mics for very clear phone calls, so that's pretty nice. They also have wireless charging on these, so the case does include the wireless charging. The box very similar to, as you see on an Apple product. White on the back, you have, let's get this in focus. On the back here you have basically the same description as you see in a lot of other products out there, but overall these are supposedly very good. We're going to go ahead and pair them with the iPhone and see how they work. Now I know I'm not doing this justice by pairing them with the iPhone, however I don't use Android personally, so the iPhone is the only test method we're going to be able to do today. Okay, so we have the Galaxy box here. We're gonna go ahead, open it up, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. Very clean design, not much in here. In here you'll probably have all your charging cables and accessories. The case, first impression, it's pretty thin. I actually think these are nice. You have this kind of like hill which has the Galaxy Buds inside. Very neat. I love the design. It feels very piano lacquer kind of feel. It says sound by AKG. Obviously they're charged. There is a magnet here as well, so when they pop in it is magnetic. The back of it looks like a USB-C connection, and they feel really good. Let's see how they feel in the ear. Oh wow, there's really good connection already. They're beeping, they know that they're in my ear. There's a left and right indicator on here. The case has a wireless charging. Now it's flat on the bottom, so it does give you an opportunity to lay it there. So I'm pairing it with the Galaxy Buds here. They're paired. I am going to go ahead and first play a song. So let's see if they sound great. I'm going to go ahead and pick Goosebumps Remix by Travis Scott. So let's see. Okay, overall, pretty good sound so far. I like it. Okay, the mids are pretty good. The bass, I'm waiting for the bass to hit on this song, but right now I'm not seeing a good quality bass yet. So let's see. The bass is moderate. I feel like I get a lot more bass with the AirPod Pros as well as the Power Beats. So the bass is moderate. In terms of phone call, we're going to go ahead and try to test it right now. I'm going to go ahead and call our office. Here we go. All right, I'm dialing our office.
Yo, Simon, what's up, brother?
What's up, Mike? How are you?
All right.
Hey, I'm testing the Galaxy Buds Plus here,
Yep.
and I want to know how I sound.
Yeah, you sound good.
Okay, good. Very clear, yeah?
Yep.
Excellent, okay. So they fit great, they feel great in my ear.
All right.
The bass is a little subtle, however, the clarity of the sound is excellent.
Very good.
Thanks for taking the call.
All right.
Okay, bye. Okay, so they feel great in the ear. In fact, I feel like they're some of the best fitting earbuds that I've had. They give you a lot of cushion inside to really block out the noise from the ambience out there. The earbuds fit in my ear perfect. As you guys know, some of the other earbuds I've had have not fit that well, that I've done some reviews here, and check out some of the other videos. You get a pretty long USB-C cable. I would say this is about 2 feet long, which is nice. Standards are typically about a foot long. They pop in really nice. They sound great. I mean, the fitting inside these on my ears was excellent. I cannot complain. Now, in the packaging, you also get some different size connections for your ear and for the outer part of your ear, as well as the earbud itself. So very impressed with these guys. I think they are excellent for the $100 mark. I feel like the case is excellent. It stays open. It's got a good flap. It doesn't fall down. It's very thin. I mean, we're talking about an inch to an inch and a half thin. It's very convenient. These could be in your pocket. You would not have a problem having them around at all times. So I really truly like that. So the Galaxy Buds Plus are not like their Pro version. The Plus kind of competes with the AirPods. One cool feature about the Galaxy Buds Plus is the fact they filter out unwanted noises and customize the tune to fit what you are looking to do. I find that to be exceptional. During the phone call, they pick up your noise or your voice and the surrounding voices, and they isolate it from your hearing experience. And I could tell that by the ambient sound around us. It was a very clear call, and the sound of the Galaxy Buds Plus are great when you're listening to music. They're perfect for phone calls in noisy places, and they're great for listening to music in noisy places as well because of those 3 microphones that filter out that sound. So they advertise 22 hours of serious sound, 11 hours on a single charge, and you're basically able to recharge them in the case with a one-time charge. So total of 22 hours of listening in this little pill-like case, which I find again to be very comfortable and high quality. What I love about the Galaxy Buds Plus is 1 hour of listening time can be achieved in just 3 minutes of charging. So if all of a sudden your earbuds are gone, 1 hour of listening and talk time can be utilized if you just charge these things for 3 minutes. That is pretty neat. Now, if you have a Galaxy phone, you could actually share the charge or the battery with your phone by placing these on the back of the phone. With the iPhone, I don't think it's the case. I can go ahead and put it here and nothing happens. I don't see anything being lit up. An advantage to Galaxy users, this is going to give you more charging if you put it on the back of your phone using the wireless charging system. So the 22-hour battery life, 11 hours on a single charge, and 15 total hours of talk time because the microphones are being used even more when you're talking, is an incredible feature for this $99 price tag. I would probably recommend that you purchase these if you are within that price point. Still, my favorite earbuds are the Apple Airpods. I find those to be the most unique. These, however, feel much more comfortable in my ear when putting them in versus the AirPods, and they don't hang down. So it feels great. I don't feel like I'm gonna lose them, and the call quality was exceptional. That's what Samsung advertises. They fit just right, and I felt that by putting them in. In fact, I don't think I have felt a better in-ear earbud than these Samsung Galaxy Plus buds. They just fit so well to my ear coming directly from the packaging that I feel like I would use these for pretty much all of my listening and talk time because it just feels natural to my earbud. I don't know if it's my ears or the way they're designed, but they're highlighting that in their promotion for these earbuds. And both ears feel great, and they're super lightweight as well. Now, if these don't fit well in your ear coming from the packaging, they give you 3 different options for a perfect fit in each ear, and you can mix and match those options if you have, say, different size earlobes on either one of your ears, which is really neat. Of course, with the Galaxy phones, it's a one-step to connect, similar to the iPhone and the AirPods. You could pretty much one-step connect to your Galaxy phone, easy peasy. It was not even that hard to connect to my iPhone. However, I assume the Galaxy phone is going to be much better. And you could switch and pair these with Windows 10 when you are using your Windows computer, where you could actually switch from phone to computer at all times. So what's neat about the earbud itself is you can pause play right from the earbud. It's touch sensitive, very uniquely designed. I love this aspect about it. Again, it has that piano lacquer finish on the earbud itself. You can personalize these touch commands. For example, a long press can open any app. You could adjust different volumes, etc. So everything is customizable. They're splash resistant as well, so if you're running in the rain or so forth, you're not going to have a problem. But what I love most is the customization you can have by customizing each earbud differently to whatever you want it to do, with long presses, short presses, and taps. There are also a variety of colors if you're just not hoping to get the standard black or piano finish. There are different variations, so check those out as well. Overall, am I super happy with the Galaxy Buds Plus? minimal listening to them right now in this video, I would say they are a top-notch quality product for $100. They're going to compete with Tozo or even beat those out that I've reviewed in the past. I would probably splurge the extra $30, $40 to get the Galaxy Buds Plus. Great case, excellent technology. They fit so much better in the ear and they feel high quality. So the quality of these just feels really good in the hand and in the ear. Overall, 2 thumbs up on these. Can't wait to test the Pro version and see if there's more bass. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also check out techvisibility.com, and I'll catch you guys here in the next video. Thank you.